Yeah! Going. How awesome is that, buddy?
Cool.
How awesome is that?
That's the best in the world.
Kinsey.
Whoa, you can't even see the fire. Is it in space
No,
already?
but now what we're going to see is that the booster rockets are going to fall. They detach. So you see that in a minute. Yeah, you see them glowing.
Yeah, they light up every once in a while like stars.
See it?
Is that one of them?